Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in Autodesk Inventor software. First I will take this as a base, outer dia 60, inner dia 40, height is 60 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Select the circle 60, 40. So finish sketch, extrude up to 60 mm. Next, select this plane, sketch, create circle here, give the dimensions 46 and 20 mm. $75. Give the constraint here, select line, create line like this both side, give the tangent constraint, trim this circle, finish sketch, extrude, thickness is 15 mm. Okay. Next, this face, here you can see 15 mm offset is there. For this we can take the planes here, select the plane, select this plane, give the offset 15 mm. Okay. Now select the plane, sketch, create one rectangle first, give the dimensions, this is 75 mm, and here we can give tangent constraint, so trim this, delete this dimension, we can give later, trim this. Now you can give the dimension 75 mm. Finish sketch, extrude, thickness is 15 mm. Select this surface, sketch, select one corner rectangle, give the dimension. Friends, if you are enjoying the session, please hit the like button and subscribe buttons. It will help to grow my channel. Select line, create two lines, give the dimensions, this is 10 mm and also symmetric from the center axis. We can trim this circle, give the dimension again 15. Here no need to give this side, give the constraint. Finish sketch, extrude, here we can select up to this surface, so we can hide this plane, not required. Lastly, there is a two holes pending, diameter 16 mm, from the side 12 and 15 mm dimensions. For that, select this surface, sketch 16 mm, from the top 15, from the side 12 mm. We can do this mirror also, or we can create one more hole. Select the circle, mirror line, apply. finish sketch, extruded cut, select both the circles, reverse the direction. Here we can select up to next. Okay. So next friends, all the features are completed. Now we can assign the material here. Select generic. Here as per your requirements, all the materials here you can assign from library. For this I will go stainless steel. We can assign polishes also. It will reflect our 2D drawing. I will go with steel blue. You can assign other finishes also as per your requirements. So that's the today's session friends. I hope you enjoy this session, and also I am requesting everyone, please do subscribe my channel and support me to grow my channel. Thanks for watching this session friends.